Your future employer, your dream job is listening to this right now. What's one thing that you'd want them to know about you, about how you bring value?
I bring value every day by being consistent
Mm.
and building trust. Because, again, without people and trust and consistency, everything else falls apart. If I say I'm going to do it, I do it. And if I say I'm going to follow up with you in 3 days, then I'm going to follow up with you in 3 days. I might even follow up with you in 2 days if I can handle it. Even if I don't have an answer in 3 days, I'm going to follow up in 3 days and say I'm still working on this. I haven't forgotten you. I don't let people just flounder out there, not knowing. So consistency, follow up, trust. People know that they can trust me to do what I say I'm going to do when I say I'm going to do it.